So this is methanol being oxidized to methanoic acid. So let's apply our rules. 1 oxygen, 2 oxygens. So how do we balance for oxygens? With water. So 1 H2O over here. 1, 2 oxygens, 1, 2 oxygens. Now we balance for hydrogens. Let's count them up. 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens here. 2 hydrogens only on this side. So 6, I need to add 4 H plus ions because hydrogens are always balanced with H plus ions. Okay, so what's the charge on this side? 2 neutral molecules, 0. And on this side, 4 plus. So we always add electrons to the more positive side. So I'm going to add 4 electrons to this side to balance up the charge, making sure it is 0. Okay, to balance the charge on this side there. So that's our redox half equation for methanol losing electrons and being oxidized to methanoic acid. But what caused that to be oxidized? What caused it to be oxidized was our dichromate ions. So gets a little bit more complicated because look at the numbers. 4 electrons lost, 6 electrons gained by the dichromate. So we have to think about what am I going to multiply by. So 6 and 4, what's a common number? 12. So how am I going to get 12 electrons in this half equation? I'm going to multiply all of this by 6 times 2 is 12, and this half equation is going to be multiplied by 4 times 3. So let's write that down first. So what have we got here? 2 of everything in this half equation. So we're going to have 2 Cr2O7, 2 minus 2 times 14, 28H plus. Remember I told you don't worry if it's a lot, big numbers, we'll see what happens. 2 times 2 is 4 Cr3 plus. 2 times 7, 14 H2O. Okay, so let's have a look at our other half equation. Once we multiply this half equation by 3, so what have we got? 3 CH3OH, 3 H2O, 3 HCOOH, 3 4s are 12 H plus and 12 electrons. Let's bring this back. And maybe we can see what's going on. Can you find things to cross out? 12 electrons being lost. Get crossed out with the 12 electrons being gained. Anything else? So what else have we got? Oh, 28 H plus ions, 12 H plus ions. Let's get rid of these, and I think that comes up to 16 H plus. I think so. Anything else? Yes, I can get rid of something else as well. Can you see the 3 H2Os, 14 H2Os, so those are going to go. But instead of 14, what am I going to be left with? 11 H2O. So now we should have the overall ionic redox equation for potassium dichromate oxidizing methanol to methanoic acid. So what's the last step? Write down all the reactants and then all the products. So what have we got? 3 CH3OH plus, nothing else there because they've been crossed out, 2 Cr2O7 2 minus plus 16H plus becomes, now we're looking at the products, what? 3 COOH plus, nothing else there, 4 Cr3 plus, 11 H2O. And there you are. Okay.